Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see that how fast a Boeing 777 could fly if we make a vertical dive. Today we are going to make vertical dive on different height. After each dive we are going to increase the altitude of about 10,000 feet, so let's head inside the simulator to test it. First, at height of 10,000 feet we are going to make a vertical dive. Max speed reached at 10,000 feet is 631 knots. Next we are at 20,000 feet, and once again going to make a vertical dive. Here we go. Max speed that we gained this time is 808 knots, which is 150 knots more than the last dive at 10,000 feet. This time I have increased 10 more thousand feet, and now the total height of our aircraft is 30,000 feet. Let's push our yoke down and make a vertical dive. Here we go again. The speed recorded on 30,000 feet is 902 knots, which is around 100 knots more than which was recorded last time. Now for the final time we are at the maximum altitude of 43,000 feet, which a Boeing 777 could fly in the simulator, and I really hope that this time we can reach at least speed of 1,000 knots or more. Here we go, making this vertical dive for the last time. And we are with our final and maximum result on the altitude of 43,000 feet. We have successfully reached the speeds of 1030 knots, which is around 350 knots more than the speed recorded on 10,000 feet. As in summary of whole video and the speed we recorded on for different altitude. We reached in speed of 631 knots at an altitude of 10,000 feet. Next, at an altitude of 20,000 feet we have reached maximum speed of 808 knots. For the third reading that we did on 30,000 feet we recorded the maximum speed of 902 knots, and for the most awaited record, which was at an altitude of 43,000 feet, we recorded the maximum speed of 1030 knots, which is also our final result of our video. I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I wanted to say that results recorded are done by using Aerofly F's Global. The result could be different on different flight simulator. Thanks for staying till here and watching the video. I hope you enjoyed, and please subscribe to help me grow this aviation channel and give you more interesting content to make you entertain on daily basis.